Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to connect Wi-Fi in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi in your Oppo phone. So friends, how can you connect? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys we will go on guys our phone setting to connect guys our Wi-Fi network. So as you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting friends tap here, and guys your Wi-Fi is disabled, so enable your Wi-Fi guys. And as you can use guys your Wi-Fi setting after enable it. So as you can see this type of network in your Oppo phone. So friends, I have guys this okay Wi-Fi guys. I will tap here to connect guys. So I will enter password guys. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and guys you want to check your password, you can check from here, and the right side option guys tap here to connect. So after 3 and 4 seconds guys Wi-Fi will connect in your phone guys. You can see it's connected, and guys now you can use guys your Wi-Fi network while operating YouTube app, Instagram app, WhatsApp, Google Chrome, like that guys you can use it. And guys you don't have your mobile data, so as you can connect Wi-Fi network, and guys you can use your phone, and guys you can operate your phone. So I hope friends you've understood how to connect Wi-Fi in Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.